Hello, this video will walk you through how to add a local training course in Learn within the Lion portal. I am currently logged in as a district GLT coordinator. These same steps can be followed for a multiple district GLT coordinator. On the home page, the Learn option on the top menu bar has a drop-down. As a GLT coordinator, I have four options. The fourth selection is called Manage Trainings. Select Manage Trainings. The Manage Trainings page will provide you with a list of any trainings that you have set up, and you can sort them by the various statuses and timeframes that you wish. For now, we are going to focus on the Create New Training button in the top right corner of the page. Select that button. The system will open a window for you to begin entering the key information about the local training course that you are adding. First, type the name. Then the start date, the start time, the end date, and the end time. You can also enter the training mode. Notice that the training mode is not required. You will notice that any field that has a small red asterisk in the front are the required fields. The training mode is either in person, virtual, or a hybrid. The estimated participants, if you know them, and the sponsored club. If this is a sponsored club training, you can select that box and enter the name of the sponsoring club here. For now, we will leave that unchecked. It is not required. Select Next. Note the progress bar at the top to help you know how many pages are left to finish entering the information. On this page, enter the application due date and the application information if you have it. Notice that neither of these are required to get the draft copy completed. You can always enter this information later prior to publishing your course. Select Next. Continue through the next page, noting that these fields are also not required to complete a draft copy, but you can enter them if you already have the information. In this case, I will enter the country, the city, and the state, and then select Next. On the final page, each of these are required. Notice that you can select more than one option for each column. Training classification identifies what the course is best suited for. If you select Other, there is an area for additional comments. In this case, we are going to select Incoming New Officer and Interpersonal Skills. The Audience column identifies the target participants. In this case, club officers and Lions only. The Training Language column identifies all the languages the course will be offered in. In this case, English and Spanish, and then select Next. Note the green confirmation toast at the top of the page. The course is now listed on the Manage Trainings page. The trainings list will grow as you continue to enter new trainings. You can quickly filter on the trainings you want to view by selecting the status options to the left of the page. There is also a date range option if you want a specific time frame. Note the column headings. You have a training ID, which will take you back into any of the trainings to go look at the details, the name of the course, the status, the start date and end date, the location, and the actual participants on courses that have already begun. To re-enter a training, click the blue link on the ID that is located in the front of the row for the respective training course. Once in the course, notice that the blue buttons on the top right indicate Publish, Edit, Cancel, and Copy. These are all of your options for this training course. To continue editing the course, select Edit. The form will open, allowing you to add missing fields and change any other fields as needed. In this case, we will add the application due date and some application additional information. If you have additional information for the venue or any other information that you'd like to add or change, do it now, and then select Save. Once you've saved your information, notice the green toast telling you it's been saved, and you will be landed back on the course, where now you can go ahead and use the Publish button to publish training. It will confirm that you, in fact, want to publish this training called Local Training Course 4 with the dates of October 31st. If you're good to publish it, select OK. The training course is now available on the My Available Training section for other lines to find it. To go back to your managed trainings, you can now review your list as needed and continue to work on your local trainings. This video on how to create a new training course is now complete. Thank you for taking the time to view the video.